Hello students, welcome to English learning. I am Ansuya Sharma, your English teacher of Venus Public School. So today students, we are going to do one more exercise that is related to determiners. Now students, as we have all learned before in our previous video, what are determiners? So now let us just revise once more. Determiners are words which identify or specify or a noun in some way. So there are different types of determiners, student. So I will just tell you in a brief different types of determiners: article, demonstratives, possessives, quantifier and interrogative are the 4 types or 5 types of determiners. So now let us come to know how to use them in this exercise. So one exercise is given here. Complete the following sentence using the correct determiner. Okay student, so let us do it. How to? So now first one, I did not use dash fertilizer last year. Many, any and some. So now student, first we have to identify which determiner is this. So now here many, any and some. It means these things are determiners which help us to determine the quantity. Okay, many, any and some. Okay, so it's a quantifier which is you can, in simple words, you can call it quantity of a noun. Okay, in which you will come to know how much quantity is used. So students, there are different types of quantifiers, that are many, several, much, a little, more, any, etc. Okay, so now we should know how to use them. So let us see. I did not use dash fertilizer last year. So here it's written that the person did not used. Okay, so it means no fertilizer is used. It means I did not use any fertilizer. Okay, so like this, first we have to identify the determiner, which determiner is given here in the bracket, and then we have to fill up the place. So now second, she earns dash money than Arun does. So she, much, many and more. Again it's a quantifier. So the quantity of money she is earning is asked here. She earns dash money than Arun. So she is earning, we should know how much money she is earning than Arun. Okay, she much money than Arun does. No, it's wrong. She earns many. No, money is not counted in many. She earns more money than Arun does. Yet, see, after putting the determiners, you need to read them, and then only we can come to know if it is making a proper sense. She earns more money than Arun does. Okay students, so let us see one more. How dash money did he borrow from you? How dash, so much, some and more. So again it's a quantifier. So now here how dash money. So now the quantity of money borrowed is asked. Okay, how much money did he borrow from you? Okay, how much is the answer. Now the fourth one, I gave her dash bunch of flowers. A bunch, any and munch. So here an article is used and quantifiers are used. So here we should know what will be the answer. I gave her dash bunch of flowers. So the bunch is specified here, the flower, okay. Then when the name of a thing or a person or anyone is used, we use always an article is used to specify it, okay. I gave her a bunch of flowers, okay. So now next, we spent dash money during our stay in Dubai. We spent, again it's a quantifier, so we should know how much money is spent here. We spent dash money during our stay in Dubai. So much, many. We spent much money. Okay, much money. Dash cousin look Chinese, don't they? His, my and they. So here student, first tell me which determiner is this. Okay, one more is left. First we'll do this. Have you watched dash movies? So here question is asked. So this, these and much. It's a quantifier. Which quantifier determiner is this? It's a demonstrative determiner. Okay students. So we should first know which determiner is this. Now it's a demonstrating, means it is showing what is demonstrative adjectives. Now it is used before a noun that points to a definite object, okay. So now movies is a definite object, so we are going to use have you watched dash movies. What will be the answer? Have you watched these movies? These movies, okay. Dash cousin look Chinese, don't they? So now this, my and they is given here. So now first identify which determiner is this. It's a possessive determiner. We are possessive. Possessive determiner means they are used with singular noun or a plural noun to show the connection between them, okay. So now cousin look Chinese, okay. So here two nouns are given, so we are going to use this to determine a particular person, okay. So dash his cousin look Chinese, dash cousin look Chinese. My cousin look Chinese, don't they? If it's a question mark students, then it's a question asked by someone else. If it is yours, then you will know, okay. But if it is, it's determining someone else's cousin, so we are going to use his cousin. His cousins look Chinese, don't they? Okay. Now the last one. I always listen to dash Western music. Okay. The, and much. I always listen to dash Western music. So what will be the answer, student? So here the Western music is specified. Okay. I always listen to the Western music. See, if we use I always listen to a Western music, no. I always listen to much Western music, no, it will be wrong. I always listen to the Western music. Okay, students, like this we should know our determiners. Then it's very easy to just solve it. Okay, thank you.